In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Miro board. We'll build a clean, shareable mood board from scratch, and I'll walk you through the exact actions to take and why they matter so your board looks polished and stays easy to update. Start by opening Miro and creating a new board. Click New Board, then give it a clear, descriptive name like Brand Mood Board, April 2026. This is your visual workspace, so naming it well helps you and your collaborators find it later and understand its purpose at a glance. Next, add a frame to define your mood board area. Choose the frame tool, draw it onto the canvas, and resize it like a poster or slide. Rename the frame, for example, Mood Board Concepts. Working inside a frame keeps everything contained and tidy, which is especially helpful when your board grows or you share it. Before you add visuals, define your theme. Decide on the overall style, minimalist, bold, luxury, playful. Then pick your colors and keep your target audience in mind. Drop in a small text box at the top of the frame that states the vibe in a sentence so anyone opening the board instantly understands your direction. Now bring in images and inspiration. Drag and drop files from your computer, paste items you've copied from the web, or use Miro's built-in image search. Add a variety: photos, graphics, UI designs, and even standout social posts. Keep image quality high so your board looks crisp when zoomed in. Build a color palette by inserting simple shapes or sticky notes and filling them with your brand colors. If you know the exact values, add the hex codes right on the shapes. This keeps your choices consistent when you expand the project later. Collect typography ideas by uploading font samples or screenshots and typing short examples like headlines and captions. Adjust font size and weight so the hierarchy is obvious and your intended tone comes through. Organize your layout into clear sections for images, colors, fonts, and broader inspiration. Align elements, keep spacing even, and avoid cluttered overlaps so the board feels balanced and easy to scan. Add notes and labels to explain why each visual belongs. Use short keywords like modern, soft aesthetic, or high contrast to reinforce the theme and guide decisions. Finally, refine by removing anything that doesn't match your direction. Keep only strong, consistent visuals. Less is more. When you're ready, share the board with your team or client, invite feedback directly on the canvas, and iterate. That's your complete workflow for a focused, collaborative Miro mood board.